Google just drop an IDE that write code, debug code, read your mind, and roast you harder than your code review, all at the same time. Welcome to the wild world of Google Antigravity. Google actually just launched a platform called Antigravity. It's not a physics toy. It's a direct shot at Cursor and Windsurf. It's not an assistant, it's a manager. Cursor help you to write code. Antigravity give you a team of intern and a clipboard. You don't just type code, you assign missions. Google call it an agentic development platform. That means AI agent plan your code base like a project manager, execute it like a dev, and explain it sometimes better than your old CS professor. Antigravity is free till now. It runs the latest Gemini 3. Not only that, you will also have Nano Banana Pro inside the IDE, which enable you to create images based on your project inside the IDE and even let agent control browsers for real. You can literally watch your app test itself. Unlike old school AI copilot, Antigravity use a mission control approach. What we get? Editor view. Traditional but with an agent on the side. Manager view. Antigravity is mission control for orchestrating tons of agents, tasks, and workspaces at once. Artifacts. Instead of here's your raw log, you get human-friendly documentation, task checklists, screenshots, browser recordings. It's like Stack Overflow, Jira, and Zoom calls were mashed together by a caffeinated AI. Cursor and Windsurf help you to write code. Antigravity let you assign code. In the manager view, it tell agent A to fix CSS, agent B to write the test, and agent C to hallucinate a new feature. They work asynchronously. You don't watch them type, you just get a notification when they are done. They don't just suggest lines, they plan, execute, coordinate, run browser operation, even create artifacts, code changes, test, screenshots, and play-by-play browser recording. So, have you tried Antigravity yet? If not, download Antigravity to feel like a director of engineering for a weekend. It's fun, but would you trust an AI to plan and build your next app? Or do you want all the controls? Let me know in the comments.